Flavored snow ice. You can get fine and white snow-shaved ice within 15 seconds with our snow ice machine, developed by BARSKOREA Super Snow Machine. BARSKOREA is the leading snowflake machine manufacturer in Korea. Currently, BARSKOREA has been exported to over 30 different countries. BARSKOREA is leaping forward to the global market with quality products. Super snow machines are setting a new vision in the ice flake machine manufacturing industry. You can create unique and various flavored snow within 15 seconds by pouring various liquids in the machine, producing snow with weak alcohol drinks, cocktail, soju, makgeolli, beer, juice, red wine, Coke, and more. The Super Snow Machine can be installed anywhere in the world. Not only providing machines, BARSKOREA is also providing the secret recipe for cafe and businesses using Super Snow Machine. Not only snow ice desserts, but also beverages and food. When the snow comes out from the snow ice machine, you will find yourself craving for snow. It is so soft. Imagine being able to savor its freshness and refreshing taste. In addition to that, this is not only flavored snow ice dessert. You can create healthy ice desserts and enjoy anytime you want.
Producing the shaved ice 팥빙수, a popular dessert among Koreans.
이 빙수 같은 경우에는 굉장히 부드럽고 눈 같아서 입에 너무 살살 녹아요.
말로 설명하기 너무 힘든 그런 묘한 맛?
이 눈꽃 빙수 기기를 바꾸고 나서 손님들도 좋아하시고 매출도 점점 높아져 가고 있습니다.
You can encounter the Super Snow Machine in many places you want. You can place them in a cafe, restaurant, hotel, and anywhere that snow ice dessert can be sold. BARSKOREA's snow ice machine, as selected by consumers, are resulting in a constant increase in sales. We are creating a new market fueled by higher value-added products and services. It's time to express your ideas with BARSKOREA's Super Snow Ice Machine.